The boy who lived with the seals in a small village nestled between the towering trees and the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean. There lived a young boy named Kannak. Kannak was a curious and adventurous child, always drawn to the mysteries of the sea. He spent his days exploring the rocky shores and listening to the stories of the elders about the creatures that lived beneath the waves. One day, while Kannak was playing by the water's edge, he wandered too far from his village. The sun began to set, casting a golden glow over the sea, and before he knew it, he was swept away by a strong current. His parents, frantic with worry, searched for him everywhere, but Kannak was gone, lost to the vast ocean. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. The villagers gave up hope, believing that Kannak had been taken by the sea. But little did they know that Kannak had found a new home among the eels. He was discovered by a wise old seal named Akira, who took him under her fin and taught him the ways of the sea. Kannak learned to swim with the seals, to hunt for fish, and to navigate the treacherous waters. He grew strong and agile, his skin glistening with the salt of the sea. The seals became his family, and he loved them dearly. But as much as he loved his new life, Kannak couldn't shake the memories of his old one. He missed his parents and the warmth of the village. Years passed, and Kannak grew into a young man. One day, a woman from a neighboring tribe spotted him swimming with the seals. She was amazed by his ability to communicate with the creatures and his skill in the water. She told the villagers about the boy who lived with the seals, and soon, Kannak's parents were reunited with their long-lost son. But Kannak's return was not without its challenges. He had to relearn the ways of the land, to speak the language of his people, and to adapt to a life he had forgotten. His parents were overjoyed to have him back, but Kannak felt torn between two worlds. He missed the freedom of the sea and the companionship of the seals. In an effort to bridge the gap between his two lives, Kannak began to carve beautiful canoes. He used the skills he had learned from the seals to create vessels that were both functional and exquisite. Each year, he would leave a new canoe on the shore, a gift to his parents and the village. The villagers were amazed by the craftsmanship and the beauty of the canoes, and they began to see Kannak in a new light. Kannak's journey had taught him that sometimes, the greatest gifts come from embracing both our past and our present. He continued to live in the village, but he never forgot the lessons he learned from the seals. He became a master canoe maker, and his creations were sought after by tribes from all over the region. And so, Kannak lived a life that was both on land and in the sea, a life that was filled with the love of his family and the wisdom of the eels. His story became a legend, told around campfires and passed down through generations, a reminder that sometimes, the most unexpected journeys can lead to the greatest discoveries.